This is our introduction video for the HeirList application. Here we're going to go over some of the primary functions in what we call the core areas. So this is the home screen, and there'll be a little house inside the app that you can see that'll take you back. In addition to within the menu, the first option is to take you to the home page, and this is the home page. The home page shows the active questions. For example, there's 100 total questions, of which we've answered 2. So now it says 98 in that little white ball. You can see for the different 8 categories, the structure is there are 8 categories. Beneath the 8 categories, there are 100 questions. And then beneath the 100 questions, there's 941 items. So here, you can see the 8 categories, 1 through 8 in Roman numerals. If you click on here, you'll see 9 different questions, and questions have letters. So categories are Roman numerals, questions are letters, and then items are numbers. So beneath, say, N, if you click on that, it gives you the opportunity to answer yes, no, or unsure with respect to what is the answer for that one. For here, we tell everybody to assume yes. So let's go to 1 for married. Were they ever married in a relationship governed by similar rules like common law, things of that nature? So there's 14 things beneath that, 14 items, as you can see, open items. And then here, it shows you the different numbers. And given that it's question R, it starts at item number 206. And goes down to item number 219. And just like the questions, these allow you, these aren't as much answers, these are status. So if it's something that you know you need to do and you're working on it, then you would hit open. If it's something that's already been completed, you would hit close. If, for example, was there a surviving spouse, let's say the spouse had passed away before them, you would hit NA. And that would disappear to the reopen screen. So the reopen screen is actually another area inside the menu, and this would have anywhere where you answered no for a question or there's an item, it would allow you to go recover that. So here we can change item D from no, we can decide, hey, that was wrong, we found some organ donation, and then when we go back to the home, the D question, which had previously disappeared, now appears back, call it in play, with the specific items that have not been responded to. So that's the core of the HeirList application. There are many additional areas of functionality within the menu. We're not going to go through all of them here. We'd encourage you to experiment with them, but also watch out any warning messages as far as deleting or changing things as you go and understand which each one of them are. And that's the HeirList application. Thank you very much for being a user. And there are more than 40 videos on our YouTube channel discussing all the different facets of it and what you can do and how it works. In addition to, there are more than 100 frequently asked questions on different areas of the application and some other related things. Thank you very much for using HeirList, and we appreciate it.